So my name is Kacper Sehnke, and I just graduated from my Part 1 at the University of Westminster, and I am this year's recipient of the RIBA Bronze Medal as well as the Sustainable Design Award at Part 1. So my final design project for my Part 1 is titled the Council for Ecosystem Restoration, and essentially it's this large-scale political initiative that taps into the idea of connecting politics and nature together and improving the two to sort of shift our worldview from that humans come first to, both are equal, nature and animals are equal importance to that of human being. So the context of the site that we were given was that it's Epping Forest, which is a natural woodland area within Essex, and it's essentially one large safe haven for all the plants and animals within majority of London really, as well as Essex itself. And with the rate that London is sort of developing in an urban environment and increasing in population, it's only a matter of time since we'll see the barrier of the urban environment encroaching on this natural landscape. So my project is this sort of counter statement to counteract this rapid development. So on my site currently, as it stands, is a leisure centre which is used as a tennis club, and despite it having a rich history, being around since the 1850s, I think that it's given me a sort of idea of proposing a new way of thinking about construction. So typically I thought that, concrete covered site within a forest landscape doesn't make sense, especially now that we're sort of in this climate emergency. So my project wants to sort of look back upon this and remediate the site itself and build on top of it so that within a 10-year or maybe 20-year time frame, we can see the rewilding process take place and the sort of site reflourishes to how it used to be. In terms of the visuals that I produced for my project throughout, I wanted to sort of portray this utopian or dystopian balance between nature. So I wanted to sort of tell the story through a narrative, almost like a picture book, but through the use of software imagery and the digital means, which is now emerging, or has been emerging for the last sort of 5 to 10 years. Portraying nature within the software is quite difficult to make it as natural as possible, but I tried to sort of depict this over-exaggerated apocalyptic feel so that once humans, carry out their functions in this building and help revitalize this site, this is the type of regrowth that we could see in maybe 5 to 10 years. And I wanted to show this with this over-exaggerated feel so that people have this striking feel and sort of, I guess, a sense of emotion that, how bad is a concrete site within a forest? If we just rethink our way of construction within this forest landscape, we could see animals carry out their natural cycles, help reflourish the site to how it used to be, and ultimately that goal will help us fight the climate emergency. To receive the bronze medal and the award for sustainable design at Part 1, it really means a lot to me. From starting so small, from just the research phase of the project to pushing the boundaries of both design and the portrayal of each component of this project, it was a lot of work, but all of the support that I've received, from both my tutors, the critics, throughout different crits, I think it helped me flesh out this whole project to where it is now, and to receive both of these prestigious awards, it really means a whole lot to me.